Hello friends, I am Pranita Sheshni, the student of Recent Training Center. Today I am here with you to discuss the human system, that is the muscular system. The muscular system is a complex network of tissues responsible for the movement of the human body, maintaining the posture and producing the heat. It comprises the three main types of the muscle tissues. In that, the first is the skeletal, smooth, and the cardiac. The types of muscle tissues are as follows. In that, the first is the skeletal muscle. This is the most abundant type and attached to the bone and responsible for the voluntary movements. Skeletal muscles are striated. In the skeletal muscle or the on the skeletal muscle, striations are present, and it can contract quickly but tire easily. They are controlled by the somatic nervous system and play a crucial role in movements such as walking, running, and lifting. The next muscle is the smooth muscle. The smooth muscle is found in the walls of the hollow organs like intestine, blood vessels, and the bladder. The smooth muscle is involuntary and non-striated, means the striations are not present on the surface of the smooth muscles, and it contracts slowly and can sustain the longer periods of the contractions. And smooth muscle is regulated by the autonomic nervous system, that is ANS, and hormones, and it is help to the control of the functions like the digestion and blood flow. The third muscle is the cardiac muscle. This type of a muscle is found only in the heart. It is striated and involuntary, means the striations are present on the surface of the cardiac muscle, and it is the rhythmic contraction to the pump blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle cells are interconnected by the intercalated disc, which facilitates the sonorized contraction. The next part of this is the structure of the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are composed of muscle fibers, that is from the cells, and bundled together by the connective tissue. Each fiber contains myofibrils, which are further divided into sarcomeres, and the basic divided into sarcomeres. Function of the contraction is within the sarcomeres, that is a thick myosin and the thin actin filaments slide past each other during the contraction, a process regulated by the calcium ions and the ATM, that is ATP. The functions of the muscular system, uh, that is the movement, posture, and etc. First is the movement. The muscles work in pairs to produce the biceps contract, the triceps relax and allow to the arm to flex. The next function is the posture. The next function is the posture, that is the muscle system maintains the posture through the continuous tone which keeps broad and stable against the gravity. The next function is the heat production. The muscle activity generates heat as byproducts of the metabolism and helps to maintain the body temperature. The next is the muscle contraction. The muscle contraction occurs through a process called a sliding filament theory. When a muscle receives a signal from the motor neuron, the calcium ions are released from the sacroplasmic reticulum, enabling the binding of the myosin heads to actin filaments. These forms cross bridges leading to sliding of the filaments and shortening of the muscle fiber. Next, there are the some disorders related to the muscular system, such as the muscular dystrophy. In that, genetic condition causing progressive weakness and degeneration of the skeletal muscle. Next disorder is the myasthenia gravis. In that, the autoimmune disorder that leads to the weakness in the voluntary muscles due to the distributed communication between the nerves and the muscles. I think it is clear to everyone what is the muscular system. The muscles included in the muscular system, that are skeletal muscles, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscles, and there are some functions of the muscular system, and also diseases included in the muscular system, which we are saw that. I think it is clear to everyone, and thank you for listening me. Thank you, friends.